Next one, consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. So daily wages given here 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, and 180 to 200. Number of workers, that is called as a high frequency, and I varies from like that up to 0 to n numbers, 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using the appropriate method. Here given table is the daily wages and number of workers, that is called as a FI. FI means how much value, it gives the total number. Sigma FI, sigma FI, adding up all these frequencies, how much value it gives the 50. Okay, next we need to calculate the XI, class mark. Class mark is nothing but the what, in simple way, the middle number between these two values 100 and 120, its middle number is 110. Okay, or according to the formula, that is XI. Okay, XI is the class mark is equal to upper class limit. Okay, upper class limit plus lower class limit, lower class limit divided by 2. It means how much value? For example, upper class limit means 120 plus 100 divided by 2. It gives the how much value? 100 120 is 220 divided by 2, so that is equal to the 1, like that. Or simply called as simply number is 110, then 130, 150, 170, then 190, like that. So put the values here. First one is 1 1 0, 130, 150, 170, 190, like that. This is the class mark values. So next we have to find out the DI. DI is equal to XI minus A. XI is the class mark, these values, and A is the, in that values middle number is the A value. What is the middle number? That is 150. 150 is the middle number. Okay, A. So next we have to find out the DI. DI means XI minus A. XI means the first observation 110. 110 minus 150, that gives the minus 40. Next value minus 20, and third value is 0. 150 minus 150 is equal to the 0. Next 170 minus 150, that gives the plus 20 value. Then 190 minus 150, that gives the plus 40 value. This is the DI value. So next UI. UI is nothing but the DI divided by H. What is the value of the H? DI already we have we found that these values. H is nothing but the class size. Okay, class size H of this data is equal to the 20. So why should we take 20? Because the difference between two values means upper limit and the lower limit. 120 minus 100, that gives the 20, and 140, that difference between two values, that is equal to the 20. That is the H value. Okay, hence DY is equal to DI divided by H. DI means minus 40 divided by what? H value is equal to the 20. 40 divided by 20, that gives the what value? 2. Minus 2. Next one is 20 divided by 20, 1, minus 1. Next 0 divided by 20, that is equal to the 0. Then 20 divided by 20 is equal to 1. Then 40 divided by 20, that gives the 2 value. Next we have to find out the FI and multiplication of both these two values, FI into UI. UI is there, minus 2. Then FI is here, 12. 12 to the minus 24, minus 40, 8 0 0, 6 1 ja 6, 10 2 ja 20. Next we have to find out the sigma fi ui total values. What is the next value? Total how much values? Minus 24 minus 14. It means here we have clear that minus 24 then minus 14, that is equal to the 8 3. Okay, minus 38, then these two numbers 26 plus 26, that gives the value minus 12. Okay, so sigma fi ui, its value is minus 12. So next we have to find out the mean daily wages of the workers, that is equal to the mean x bar is equal to, so formula a plus into bracket sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi bracket close into h. So what is the a value? A value is the 150 plus sigma fi ui, that is minus 12 divided by sigma fi, its value is how much? 50 bracket close into h, that is a class size 20, that is equal to the 150 minus 0 0 get cancel, 12 to the minus 24 divided by 5, and 150 minus 24 divided by 5, that is equal to the 4.8. Therefore 150 minus 4.8, that gives you 145.2. so this, therefore the mean daily wages, okay, of the workers is 145.2. therefore the mean wages or the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory is 145.2. This is the answer.